Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Eden Edges gel ball water bead blaster. This comes with 60,000 plus water beads for your playtime. Alright, so we got this bead blaster. This is the JMX2 model. So this one is equipped with a USB charger. It has a portable battery charger, long range distance shooting, and it's got the safety. So the long range toy blaster is easy to use, 65 to 100 feet long. You can soak gel balls for 4 hours. It is no harm to kids. It's gel blast size between 7 and 8 millimeters. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into the box. First off, you can see that we do have some goggles in here. We do have the little gel balls. You do have the battery. You have the battery charger. Here is the battery itself. So you do get 60,000 of these gel balls. So they have several bags in here. So it also is equipped with a sight. So you can look at your target. It has a torch battery component. You have different magazines. You have the round magazine, and then you have the short magazine. This one here is the nightlight. You just push this button here and it turns on. It is super bright. So with these gel beads, it suggests pour into water, place them in for 3 to 4 hours. 1 hour after that, you'll have them completely filled up like orbees. Alright, so here is your goggles. So you do get safety goggles. And then you have this little short magazine to put some of these balls in here. Again, these are the soft gel balls, much like orbees. So you'll just open this up here to put it in. This top part here will go into the play gun. And then you have the magazine. This is the bigger magazine to shoot out more of these soft gel balls. They are water beads that when they rupture, they do not harm anybody. So when you fill it up, you just put your orbees in here, and they will come out right in here into the play toy. So it's great for children and adults. It's good for playing in backyards, jungles, hills, flat ground. So you get 1 safety glasses, a USB charger, 1 battery, 1 drum hopper, a short hopper. You get a torch, a sight. So here is the sight. And then you get the play toy right here. You get some extra pieces at the bottom. You have a user guide. This basically just tells you about the accessories on the back. It tells you about how to set the water beads and how long to set it for and when they should be ready to play. So this tells you how to set up the cartridges, the sight. And this is what the toy gun looks like. You just cock this back when you're ready to play with the water beads. And then when you want to use this long magazine, you just slide it in here just like that. You want to take it out, you push this button, you just remove it just like that. And then here's the short one. So you get 2 different magazines that can go in with this water gun. Then you put your little sight at the top, and then here at the bottom, this is where you'll put your light. So it only has 1 part to it. You'll have to grab another part that is in the bottom of the box. It's actually part in the sight. So it'll take a screw to go in there because you have to screw the other part in to hold it in there. So you want to make sure you have it the right way. You just slide it right in there. And then you push the little button there for the sight to work. Down here below the light is the battery. This is the part where you'll plug in the battery. Here's the battery right here. You'll just connect that right in here. You'll close it up, and then you'll put your little night light in there. So this is the screw I was talking about. You want to screw this in there, but you don't want to make it too tight because it has to be a little loose to slip it on. Because if you make it too tight, it won't actually open up to get the tracks. And you just twist it here just like that. Just keep twisting. You don't want it super tight. You just want to loose enough to where you can pop it on the water gun. And then it just slides right in place. Make sure you get it the right way. So this is a little tight. I have to loosen it up just a little bit. So once I loosen it up a little bit, it should just go right up in there and slide in. Okay, so now I loosened it up. You can see that's a little bit loosened. And then once you slide it right in there, you can go back in there and tighten it up. And then just flip the switch on the bottom, and then you've got your little night light. It's super bright. Just flip this on right here. You can see how super bright this light is. It's almost like a cop light. And then right here at the front of it, it has a little red thing that goes right in there. So you'll screw it in the opposite side. It'll just screw in there just like that, and it's ready to go. So the great thing about this is you do get a lot of water beads to play with, so you have a long time to play with this. I would definitely say if you're looking for a little sports toy for outside that shoots out these little gel balls, I would say definitely check out this gel ball blaster toy. It is a super nice toy. It has everything that you need to come with it: the charger, the battery, the gel balls, the little play gun, the magazines.